Great stay, staff were very friendly, food great place to stay, can't wait to go back. X. Exceptional. Had the best weekend away here. Staff are all lovely and friendly. Room was spotless. Food was lovely and the pub downstairs had a great atmosphere. Location is ideal for everything too. Definitely be back soon. Warm atmosphere, comfy rooms over the bar. Lovely spot with ample parking across the street and walking distance to several nice restaurants. And close to all the good things in Loch Lomond. And a cozy bar below. What could be nicer? Great hotel. Can highly recommend this hotel. Great location, good sized room, very clean and comfy beds. Cannot comment on the food as I did eat there. Exceptional room, spotless, staff very friendly and helpful. Food brilliant and great value for money. Excellent. Just stayed one night as we were in the area for a wedding but could not fault it. Very clean. Staff extremely helpful and friendly. Great breakfast at very reasonable price. Highly recommend the Waterhouse Inn. Exceptional, great location, clean, staff very friendly and helpful, thumbs up. Great find, great place to stay all around. Highly recommend and I would stay there again. Located in very scenic area with plenty of places to eat and across the street from a small grocery. Exceptional, brilliant location and spotless. Wedding visit. We traveled and stayed here for a wedding. Staff so helpful. Room wasn't quite ready on arrival but happily allowed us to leave bags and check in before we attended wedding. Had breakfast in the morning and it was delicious. We would definitely stay here again and will return with our children for lunch and a day out. Thank you, smiley face, lovely stay. Spotless large room, very cozy and warm, love the place, food very good, great breakfast, only gripe TV very small but otherwise love the place, would stay again. Exceptional place was spot on, good staff, ideal location, I was happy staying there, stayed extra night. Great spot. We loved our stay, really clean and generous sized rooms. Great little breakfast downstairs in the morning. The only point I would make is that the walls are super thin, so bring earplugs. Luckily, always do, so we were fine, but we had some really noisy neighbors at 2 in the morning which could have been a nightmare. Lovely place, spotless accommodation in perfect location for exploring the area, staff were lovely and friendly, smiley face, breakfast was great and lovely coffee. Absolutely recommend, will definitely be back. Exceptional. The accommodation was first class, clean, spacious and comfortable, also great decor, friendly staff, the bar, restaurant highly recommended. Would definitely recommend Waterhouse Inn. Exceptional. Waterhouse Inn is well situated for bars, cafes, and restaurants. Also close to beautiful walks and close to the River Leven for boat trips along Loch Lomond. Well worth a visit, we'll go back to this place again. Breakfast and lunch at the Waterhouse Inn was really lovely and Jan, who was working at breakfast and lunch, she was lovely and nice to everyone who came in for something to eat and drink, made everyone very welcome. Very nice, lovely pub/accommodations. Very central to all amenities, all in walking distance. Great base for Loch Lomond. Lovely accommodation right in the heart of Balloch, large room looking out onto Balloch Country Park, parking no problem, staff friendly and helpful, would definitely stay there again. Nice day. Clean. Nice. Very nice bathroom. Excellent services. The manager is wonderful and nice woman. Tea bags, coffee, sugar, milk was more than enough. Place is quiet. Loved this place, exactly what we wanted, staff fab, room and bathroom immaculate. Well done. Would definitely stay here again. Great stay, staff were very friendly, food great place to stay, can't wait to go back. X.